My video will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove fake human verification alerts that are coming from the site Captchasee.live. Pop-ups by Captchasee.live are totally faulty and very deceptive. They claim to be some sorts of human verification alerts, but this is not true. These are fake human verification alerts. So don't trust these pop-ups and don't click on allow. If the allow button was mistakenly clicked, your browser will be hijacked with multiple ads, and also you may be redirected to some junk sites that may display some other malicious content in front of you. Anyway, if you have clicked on allow button, definitely it was a mistake, and you need to fix this mistake immediately by accessing the menu, settings, privacy and security, site settings, in permissions, choose notifications, and pay attention to the sites which are allowed to send notifications. If you find any junk sites, make sure you remove them from the list. To be sure that your system is free of other threats, consider researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install it, and then start thoroughly investigating your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.